Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The lower planetary systems, up to the limit of the earthly stratum, are said to be situated in his legs. The middle planetary systems, beginning from Bhuvalok, are situated in his navel. And the still higher planetary systems, occupied by the demigods and highly cultured sages and saints, are situated in the chest of the Supreme Lord. There are 14 spheres of planetary systems within this universe. The lower systems are called Burlok, the middle systems are called Bhuvalok, and the higher planetary systems, up to Brahmalok, the highest planetary system of the universe, are called Svarlok. And all of them are situated on the body of the Lord. In other words, no one within this universe is without a relationship with the Lord.